Good morning, Bart Burgers with the Wild NZ. Today I'm in Katey's Gadget Kitchen, yet again with another episode how to use the Thermomix with ease. So when I take my clients out hunting and I take them into the field, I like to cook them something special at night. So while I guide my clients, the Thermomix will guide me through the whole process how to cook that special meal for those clients. So today we're going to cook duck orange zabaglione. And I've got all the ingredients here. So what we got here today is some duck breast. Thanks to Jared Christie, he's a duck hunter, I'm not. Red onion, garlic, orange zest, and some peppercorns. And this is all what we're going to use today for a duck orange zabaglione. So today we're going to use the Thermomix in a sous vide function. Basically we're going to cook the duck breast in a vacuum sealed bag in a temperature controlled water bath. So we follow the instructions on the screen of your Thermomix. If you haven't got a vacuum sealer with snap lock bags, you can start straight from here. But if you've got a vacuum sealer, which we have, you just press next. We'll season the duck quickly. And we'll press next again. And we place the duck in our vacuum bag. So now we have put our duck into a plastic bag. We vacuum sealed it as well, and we're going to put it in the basket. Just press the lid, put it into the basket, and if the duck is not fully submerged with water, you can add a bit of water, but don't exceed the maximum line. I think this is about it. We can put the lid onto it now. I'm going to press the next button once more. It's already in the basket. We got the measuring cup, and now we can actually start the whole process. It starts at 62 degrees and it will be cooking for about an hour and a half. So the duck has been sous vide. And as it takes an hour and a half, you have actually several options. And when I do my guiding, I actually take the option to freeze it, because I don't always have the time to make the duck sous vide on the same day. So this particular duck has now been frozen. We defrosted it. We gathered the juices. We pat down the duck breast. We pat down the orange peels and the orange. And now we're going to caramelize our duck. We finished the caramelizing of our duck. I'll just quickly show you what it is like. Nicely caramelized, good browning, absolutely fantastic. I look forward to eat it. We'll take the lid off first. We follow the screen. It says insert butterfly whisk, which is this little gadget here. Put it right in anti-clockwise to secure it. Press next. A quarter teaspoon of vegetable stock, which is actually this, as I said before, it's quite salty. We'll put it right in there. Oh, maybe a little bit more. That's great. Press next. 2 pinches of ground white pepper. I'll press next again because I have the ground white pepper and 1 pinch of ground cayenne pepper right in here. Put it away. Next. 3 egg yolks, which I've got here. 80 grams of reserved meat juice. Right, what's 80 grams? Well, this machine actually is quite clever, because I can pour, and you can see it right here. I'm going to stop at about 80 grams, a bit more, 71, 9, 80 grams, there you go. Perfect, this machine. Insert measuring cup into mixing bowl, lid, and then, which is all included, press it. Next. It says speed 3. And it will start cooking. So our zabaione is done. We've got a perfectly sliced duck breast with a perfectly caramelized orange. The only thing we've got to add now is a zabaione. We'll take the whisk out, put it right there, and look how perfect that is. It's not bad, is it? Let's just get a wee bit out. And there you go. Bon appetit.